afternoon, everyone. Now, today we'll be looking at an interesting topic, right? So, I would like all of you to sit back, relax, fold your arms, and let us sing. Boys and girls, did you enjoy that little song? Now, let me ask you now. Can you tell me what we'll be looking at today? Any one of you? Yes, we will be looking at the weather. And from the song, we heard that weather is what's happening in the atmosphere. Or we can also say weather is a day-to-day condition of the atmosphere in a particular place or time. Alright? Now today we'll be looking at two weather instruments. There we have more, but today we will just be doing two weather instruments. And in front of me here you can see two instruments. Now let's look at this instrument first. Can anyone tell me what is the name of this instrument? Any one of you here? Yes, this here is a rain gauge. What is this instrument? Yes, a rain gauge. And over here, what do we have here? What do you think this looks like? Yes, this here is a wind vane. Now look at this wind vane. Now can you tell me what do we use this instrument to do? Breeze? Yes, breeze. But what about the breeze? What do we do? Wind? Yes, wind. But what about the wind? Yes, it shows wind direction. Isn't that so? Do you think that is correct? Yes, it shows wind direction. And what about this rain gauge? What do we use this rain gauge for? Rainfall. Yes, but what about the rainfall? Not just the rainfall, but what about the rainfall? Yes, the amount of rainfall. Because if you see it the front here, we have some measurements. So we have to measure the rainfall, right? Now we will do a little demonstration how the instruments works, right? Now let me go to the wind vane. Now we say that the wind vane, it shows direction of the wind. So now we're going to have some wind, and let's see the direction and how exactly the wind vane works. So let's see. Let's see. Good. So you see that the wind vane does work. It is spinning, right? Now let's move on to the rain gauge. Now I am going to create some rain, and it's going to come from the clouds, right? So please pay attention. Please pay attention. It is raining. Good. So did you get that little demonstration? Wasn't that an exciting experiment? Good. So that means that whatever Miss has taught will be remembered, and you will use it in other classrooms. Isn't that so? Now I would just like to say thank you for looking at my little video, and remember, weather is what's the rain gauge, and the wind vane. They will have hands-on view of what is the rain gauge and what is the wind vane. Now, in the classroom also, with the song that was sung, the children will recite. They will sing the song. Most children learn by singing songs and songs that is catchy. And once they have recite the song over and over, they will learn the song. So today or tomorrow, they won't forget the song. Or if any other class they enter and they're doing the topic better, they will be able to say, I can remember Miss doing this song. Let's remember the song. They will be able to name the instrument without any difficulty because they already see the model. They can differentiate the models, and they can also say what is weather.
Materials that were used to construct the wind vane and the rain gauge. The wind vane. A cardboard in the shape of a circle, a sanitary cup, a chopstick, typing sheet with the letters of the cardinal point, north, south, east, and west, a needle, and a picture of a rooster. Cardboard, cotton, straw, a plastic bottle, foam sheet, and picture of the grass and animals were used to construct the rain gauge.